How to turn on two-factor authentication for Instagram on PC. This tutorial shows you how to secure your account with an extra layer of protection on Windows 11. First, open your Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, go to Instagram.com in the address bar and log into your account. Let me show you both. From there, click on the menu at the left side of the screen. At this point, click on Settings to open your Instagram settings. In the next step, click on Accounts Center on the left side menu. From there, scroll down, tap on Password and Security, and look for the two-factor authentication section and click on it. At this stage, select your Instagram account and begin setting up two-factor authentication. Following this, you'll see two options: Authentication app and text message. Let me show you both. Once done, if you select text message, Instagram will send a verification code to your phone number every time you log in. Enter your phone number and click on Next to continue. From there, Instagram will send a confirmation code to your number. Enter it to verify and enable two-factor authentication via SMS. At this stage, if you select Authentication app, Instagram will generate a code that syncs with an app like Google Authenticator. Follow the on-screen steps to link the app to your Instagram account. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on two-factor authentication for Instagram on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.